Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about everything that you need to know for the back to school update, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have a lot of new information about what is going to be coming in the back to school update, so let's go ahead and talk about it. So first off, we have a few confirmed updates. If we go over to the Prodigy wiki, this is not the right post, we want to go to this one. Huge updates this month. Hey everyone, it's August, and for those of you who know us for a while, it's a pretty big month for us, releasing some huge content drops over the years. Those are things like the Puppet Master battle update, and the Wizard redesigns, Dragon Isle, all of those have come in the back to school updates. And this one says, here's what we can share with you so far that's coming soon to all players. The new HUD, which is called Heads Up Display. The interface is getting a sleek redesign to make the game more user-friendly and modern, perfect for your mobile devices. So this is what they're talking about down here, the Heads Up Display. So I can go on to a different account and show you guys what it will look like. So this is what the new heads up display is going to look like. So you can see that there are a bunch of new tabs down here. So this will bring you to your backpack, this will bring you to your pet book, this will bring you to the map, this one brings you to the shops, this one's for the treasure track, this one I think is for awards, yeah, and then this one is for Wizard Dash. So those are the main buttons. There are also a few other ones that are here. You have the magic coin in the top right, and then you have these 7 new tabs here. I think this sort of may make it a little difficult to find stuff in your mail. I guess not, because it did have a sort of notification dot down here, so that will be helpful. But yeah, this is what the new HUD is going to look like. There's also going to be a graphics overhaul, which says updated visuals and smoother animations are being rolled out for a fresh new look. Now, we don't really know what this is talking about, besides for a few things that were shown in a video today that Prodigy released. Okay, so Prodigy released this trailer 4 minutes ago, and it actually shows some pretty interesting stuff that we're going to go ahead and look at. I have to refilm this because audio messes up my mic for some reason. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'll try not to talk too much in it unless I actually have something to say. So we know all of this stuff already pretty much. I think this is a previous or earlier version that they were working on for the HUD. The bottom bar looks pretty much normal, besides for a couple things. One of them, I think this is supposed to be where your awards are supposed to be. This would normally be down here in our new version of the current HUD, but I think it was just up here when they were doing their testing for it. Also, this is no longer what the side tab looks like, and I assume festivals will still probably be up here, but this was probably filmed during Summerfest, I'm guessing. We've already seen the Shiver Chill Mountains updated, so I don't think that this is super interesting. There are some pretty interesting ones later, though. So this one is very interesting. We are going to be getting Bonfire Spire updated. I don't know if this means that we are going to be getting Skywatch and Shipwreck Shore updated, because they don't show them in this video. I'm hoping they will be updated, but we have no confirmation on that. I'm also hoping that we get the final pets updated, like the Neeks, all the pets that haven't been updated to be rasterized. I'm hoping that those are going to be rasterized, because I kind of feel like that's holding Prodigy back from actually focusing on other updates, because they're kind of just focusing on pet rebalancing and redesigns. So, this is what Lamplight Town is going to look like now. We've seen the brick not stairs, the brick paths. The stairs got updated. The buildings got updated as well. This stuff is not in game, but this stuff has gotten updated. There are a few other areas that should be getting updated. Actually, I assume all Lamplight Town will be updated. This is what the center of Lamplight Town is going to look like. I think I skipped over one, but the center of Lamplight Town does look pretty good. We do have this area, which nothing too interesting here. Few houses got updated, grass got updated. That is one thing, they did update the grass. I don't know if the area up here will get updated as well because they're updating grass, and I don't know if the area by your house will get updated, because those areas are pretty much all grass and trees. And then this is another area, the Coliseum. I kind of think there's a Billyfoot in there, is there? It definitely looks like there's a Billyfoot inside of this trophy case. It definitely does look like there is. They didn't remove the bounty board, which is surprising. We got a few building updates. These statues of the wizards look really cool. And then the banners that they have here look really nice as well. I think that's all the new things for Lamplight Town that they're going to show. But then there's also Starlight Festival, which will be coming. This has been one of, or probably the most exciting thing that is going to be coming, and Starlight Festival is huge. We're going to be going over some of the stuff that is going to be added in it a little later in the video. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that is shown inside of the trailer. That is everything for the trailer. If we go back here, we can see Starlight Festival. Starlight Festival is back, and you won't believe how much has changed since the last time we had the festival back in 2021. So yeah, a lot of stuff is going to be added, and that's pretty much everything that they said in this post. We also have this post, which is just as interesting, and this is titled, "When is Starlight Festival happening? Find out here. Hey Wizards, we are so happy to see you are all excited for the confirmation of Starlight Festival returning. People had been theorizing that it was going to be coming today, even though you could kind of guess that based off of the name of the trailer. But it says we wanted to be clear on what to expect today and what to expect in the coming week, just so everyone is on the same page and excited with us. So today we got the teaser trailer for the Starlight Festival and UI change. On Wednesday, August the 6th, we will see the release of the treasure track and the new HUD. So this treasure track is going to be called Starry Night. It's going to be pretty much based off of Starlight Festival. We should see a couple of the leaked mounts that I'll show a little later, along with a few other things, maybe some of the throwables, stuff like that. And then on Monday, we will get the release of Starlight Festival. So I think we should also be seeing the redesigns for like Bonfire Spire, Skywatch, and Lamplight Town. I think we should be seeing those on the 6th, because they don't really mention that in that post, but I assume that it would have to go on with the HUD. So I think that's probably when we're going to be seeing that. But the big thing, Starlight Festival is going to be coming on the 11th to everyone. It's not going to be in a beta update. And we should be getting more information about Starlight Festival this week. It says we will share a lot more about Starlight Festival and what you can expect this week. I don't know when that will come. Maybe Wednesday, maybe Friday. I'm not really sure. But it says we promise you it's bigger and better than ever. The stars are going to shine so bright on this update when you get to see what's happening. It's all very soon. We really appreciate your patience and love the excitement and wanted to make it clear on what's to expect today. So yeah, those are all of the things that we have confirmed coming. Sadly, there's nothing about Dragon Isle, but we can go ahead and look into some of the stuff that should be coming out in this treasure track. We can start off with the mounts. These are the most simple ones. I think the Crescent Blue Moon could come. although I don't think it's too likely. It could come inside of Starlight Festival as like something that you can buy in Mama Star's shop. Although it would kind of be a little odd since it's been released pretty recently, I believe. A few other ones that we should definitely be seeing are the Star Floater, which is right here. It's a pretty simple mount. It has a power bonus of 50. So this one is probably the most tame out of all the ones that we have. We also have the Galactic Ride, which is easily the best looking mount that we are going to be getting inside of this treasure track, or maybe Starlight Festival. We don't know which one or which things are coming for which place. So it says it has heart bonus of 55, power bonus of 55, but it does actually have a defense bonus of 55 and a dodge bonus of 55 as well. They just can't fit 4 bonuses on one page, but it does have a 55 bonus for every single stat besides for order. And then we have the mini Dragonile. I don't think this one will come inside of the treasure tracker as a part of Starlight Festival. And then the Pocket Rocket definitely should come. This has a heart bonus of 30, power bonus of 60. It does have stats for dodge and defense as well, although I don't know what those stats are. Currency, there is none. Items, there is a new item, a throwable. I assume this will be in the treasure track. It's called a Shadow Ball. This is what it looks like, and I'm not really sure how to use them. I guess you'd probably do chat. Okay, yeah. So I haven't tried to use throwables inside of the new HUD, but this is what the new throwable looks like. Pretty similar to this slime ball, which is kind of disappointing. But moving on to buddies, we have a few. The Equelis, I guess that would be its name. This is what it looks like. It has a dodge bonus of 65. This is sort of similar to Ursus Minor, which also got an update. It is now HD. So this is what Ursa Minor now looks like. Just updated to HD. It now has a dodge bonus of 65 before it had a bonus of 50 or 40 on one of its stats. And then the other buddy that we should be seeing in this is Cetus. This has a heart bonus of 65. I do not know if these are going to be coming inside of the treasure track or inside of the Starlight Festival. I kind of think that we could be seeing one of these in each, like Cetus inside of the Starlight Festival and Equelis inside of the treasure track, or it could be the other way around. Boots, we do actually sort of have a few boots that are going to be coming inside of Starlight Festival, although they aren't really new. So we should be seeing the Cosmic Boots and Galactic Boots come back as part of the Cosmic set and Galactic set. I think we could also see the Astro Boots. I kind of forgot about this, but we did get a new outfit that sort of does fit the theme of the Astro set. I don't remember its name, but it does definitely feel like it would go along with the Astro set, so I think we could see the Astro set coming as well. We do have a few relics that are going to be coming to the game, so I guess this is one of the ones that should be coming, the Astro Relic, which does Star Bounce. This is a leaked relic that I assume will probably come to the game based off of its name and the fact that it's not in the game yet, and it fits perfectly with the Starlight Festival theme. Then we do also have a couple other relics that are going to be coming a part of the Galactic and Cosmic set. So we have the Galactic Relic, which does Dark Matter. It looks really cool. And then we have the Cosmic Relic, which looks really nice as well. And this does Cosmic Gateway. Ones, we actually have a lot of ones that are going to be coming. So the first two you've already seen, probably the Cosmic Sword and the Plasma Drill. We should be getting those coming back along with the Moon Hammer. There were also a bunch of new wands that were added. Because the wand section is very glitchy in Prodigy, I can't show them in-game, but these are the ones that we're going to be getting: the Aries Dark Wand, Taurus Dark Wand, Cancer Dark Wand, Gemini Dark Wand, Leo Dark Wand, Virgo Dark Wand, Libra Dark Wand, Scorpio Dark Wand, Sagittarius Dark Wand, Capricorn Dark Wand, Aquarius Dark Wand, and Piscis Dark Wand. So these are all purple variants of the already blue Starlight Festival ones that we already have inside of the game. I'll go ahead and try to find those in here if you haven't already seen them before. So these are what the normal ones look like. Pretty much just an exact recolor of the blue ones. And then we did get a couple of outfits that were added, I guess. So we're gonna get new versions we're gonna get the Astro outfit, which this is new. We're also getting the Cosmic suit and the Galactic armor. For some reason, they didn't add outfits for these sets when the arena season for them first came out. And then for hats, we don't have a bunch of new ones. I think we really only have one that's going to be new. So the really only new one is the Festival Master hat, which looks like this. This one has just been added into the game a couple of days ago. I think that we could also see the Peaceful Moon mask, because it definitely does go along with the theme. We should also get the Cosmic mask and the rest of the Cosmic arena season theme stuff. The only thing that makes me think that we wouldn't see the moon mask in the game is because it's kind of already being sold inside of one of these shops. But yeah, that is everything that you're going to need to know about this back to school update. It looks like it's going to be pretty fun. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this back to school update. And yeah, bye.